The Rolex 1908 in platinum watch wears damn near perfectly. The curve of the case, how it's broken up by the thin fluting at the edge of the bezel. In platinum, I expected this to be heavy, even on a strap, but it's not. The metal adds a luxurious heft that reminds you that it's there without distracting you or weighing you down. The flatness of the dials on the original models made the 39mm diameter seem even wider, like a placid lake, versus a churning one that distorts your perception of where the shores are. With the patterning of the dial, it pulls things in a bit, so it feels just a touch smaller. The 9.5mm thickness just makes wearing it that much easier. The strap is nothing better or worse than I expected, but the butterfly deployment was great, with a perfect curve that didn't dig into my wrist at all, and felt secure when I had it on. About that dial, it's so much richer than the other ice blues that Rolex uses on other platinum models like the Day-Date and the Daytona. It's undoubtedly the exact same hue, but the variation created by the guilloche brings it to life. The blues are darker, and the highlights are wider. A wider dynamic range open between the two for a more engaging experience. Word is that the guilloche might in fact be done by hand. Rolex is unclear, but has said that it uses traditional engine turn technique. Whether it is or isn't, the pattern is extremely precise in its repetition. While I could have done without the superlative chronometer text, it didn't bother me while handling the watch, and my eye wasn't drawn to it. The brushing on the slim minute track and the sub-dial complement each other perfectly and help to add variety to the dial, though I don't know if it was needed.